Tommy Lucchese, also known as Gaetano Lucchese, was a prominent figure in the Italian-American mafia and the head of the Lucchese crime family. While he had a successful criminal career, his downfall can be attributed to a combination of factors, including law enforcement efforts, internal power struggles, and health issues. One of the primary factors that led to Tommy Lucchese's downfall was increased law enforcement scrutiny. During the 1960s, federal agencies, such as the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Organized Crime Strike Force, were aggressively targeting organized crime families, including the Lucchese family. These law enforcement efforts exposed the illegal activities of Lucchese and his associates, causing significant disruption to their operations. In addition to the pressure from law enforcement, internal power struggles within the Lucchese crime family contributed to Lucchese's downfall. After Lucchese's health began to decline due to complications from diabetes, various factions within the family sought to assert their control and influence. Some dissatisfied members saw an opportunity to seize power while Lucchese was weakened. During this time, several high-ranking members of the Lucchese crime family were cooperating with law enforcement and providing crucial information against their fellow mobsters. This cooperation further weakened Lucchese's position and undermined the stability of the family. Another critical factor that contributed to Lucchese's downfall was the loss of key allies and trusted associates. Lucchese had built strong relationships with other powerful mobsters, such as Carlo Gambino and Vito Genovese. However, these alliances began to deteriorate as Lucchese's health declined and his power weakened. Without reliable allies, Lucchese found it increasingly difficult to maintain control and navigate the complex dynamics of the criminal underworld. Furthermore, Lucchese's declining health significantly impacted his ability to lead effectively. As his physical condition worsened, he became less involved in the day-to-day operations of the Lucchese crime family. This created a power vacuum and allowed rival factions within the family to vie for control, further destabilizing the organization. Ultimately, Tommy Lucchese's downfall was a combination of internal and external factors. The relentless pursuit of law enforcement, internal power struggles, the loss of key alliances, and his declining health all played a role in his diminished power and influence. Lucchese's death in 1967 marked the end of an era for the Lucchese crime family, as subsequent leaders would face ongoing challenges and changes within the Italian-American mafia landscape.